Here we are in total darkness to demonstrate a couple of things that I've done on the car. One, I have repaired the interior lights. Come on as they should, with this door. The other door has a broken switch. So at the moment, the courtesy lights only come on when the driver door is opened. But there's another thing that I did today. Uh-oh. I need two hands for this. Wait a minute. Gotta fix that. I upgraded the light fixture for the trunk. It now illuminates the entire trunk. It's a 12-volt LED fixture that I got off of Amazon. It's actually a dome light, but I repurposed it as a trunk light. And it works very well. All I had to do was enlarge the small rectangular hole for the stock trunk light to a 2.5-inch circular hole for this light, which is held in by springs. Attach it to the wiring, and away we go. My camera is having a very hard time focusing right now. There we go. But there it is. And it's a 2700K color temperature, so it's comparable to an incandescent light. It's not the bluer color of lights like the LEDs that I have inside, which I'm going to address at a later date. But for now, this is good. I think that's pretty darn awesome. And the fixture only draws 3.5 watts of power. Not too shabby. See you next time.